Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about the best camera gear for vlogging. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel or just want to improve your vlogging setup, this video is for you. Body. I believe that having the right equipment can make all the difference in the quality of your videos, so let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about the camera. The most important aspect of a camera for vlogging is the size and weight. You want something that is easy to carry around and won't weigh you down, especially if you plan on doing a lot of walking or traveling with your camera. A popular choice for vloggers is the Canon G7X Mark III. It's compact, lightweight, and has excellent image quality. It also has a flip-up touchscreen LCD which makes it easy to frame yourself while vlogging. Another great option is the Sony RX107. This camera is a bit more expensive, but it has a faster autofocus system and can shoot 4K video, which is great for those looking to take their vlogging to the next level. Next up, let's talk about lighting. Good lighting is essential for a professional-looking video, and you don't have to break the bank to get it. A simple ring light is a great investment for vloggers. It's affordable, easy to set up, and provides great lighting for your face. The Neewer 18-inch LED ring light is a great option for vloggers, and it also comes with a tripod and cell phone holder, so you can easily use it for your vlogs and other photography projects. Another important piece of gear for vloggers is a tripod. You don't want your shots to be shaky or unsteady, and a tripod will help keep your camera steady. A tripod with a ball head is a great option, as it allows you to easily adjust the angle of your camera. The Manfrotto Compact Action Tripod is a great option for vloggers, as it's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around. Finally, let's talk about microphones. Audio quality is just as important as video quality, and a good microphone can make a big difference. If you are shooting videos in a quiet environment, an external microphone isn't necessary. However, if you are shooting in a noisy environment, such as a city or at a crowded event, an external microphone can help improve the audio quality of your videos. The Rode Video Micro is a great option for vloggers. It's affordable, compact, and provides great audio quality. So, there you have it, the best camera gear for vlogging. Of course, this is just a starting point, and there are many other great cameras, lighting setups, tripods, and microphones out there. The most important thing is to find what works best for you and your vlogging style. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.